Hi guys, welcome back. Today we've got a E92 M3. This one is a 61 plate, 2011 model. Only done 42,000 miles in Silverstone colour. Standard car. I don't know who that is making a racket, but we'll ignore it for now. So let's quick look around the vehicle. Like I said, only 42,000 miles, really low mileage. It's had, I think, about 12 services from new, roughly, including a recent service, and it's had its run-in service as well. Front end pretty good, a couple of light stone chips, nothing to report back. Standard car, from what we can see, there's no exhaust or any modifications like that done to it, although a nice little exhaust mod does open these up. It's just a bit of debris. So there's you looking at these, being the only M3 V8, naturally aspirated, very much a future classic, pretty much a modern classic now, with that awesome bonnet bulge there. These are really sought after for good ones. So you've got the standard carbon roof on these. Does have a little upgrade, little carbon lip there. Little stone chip, I think that is. That's a little bug. Stone chip on there. I love this colour, really love the colour. I'm not sure if the camera really does it justice. Oh, I didn't get that. Yeah. A little stone chip there. It's hard to pick up the light with the shadows of the building next to us, unfortunately. But there you go, guys, that's the exterior. Let's have a look inside. This one's got full black leather with the book pack and the manuals. Nice condition as well. Back seat, like so many of these, I don't think they've ever been sat in. The all-important DCT gearbox. Driver's seat in decent condition as well, as is the steering wheel. Oh, let's fire it up. 2 keys. There we go, 42,000. I think these have got DAB, haven't they? No, they don't have DAB. You got a nav screen. I know you can get Apple CarPlay put on these as well. To lights. Engine semi-warm. Give it a little blip for you. If you want to know what one sounds like with an awesome exhaust, go back and look at our channel for the white M3 we had, which looked absolutely amazing and sounded phenomenal. Also, you can see that on our social media, TikTok and Insta pages. But there you go, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you've got any questions, feel free to reach out. There'll be a link directly below in the description, which will take you to the advert. Thanks for watching again. Bye.